So now we have design and pre-con. What we really have here are two activities that are occurring concurrently. And there are some things that occur in the middle of the Venn diagram here that are collaborative efforts. And then there are pieces on the design side and the build side that occur as their own sort of independent activities. And this is basically production from a design perspective. We need to figure out how to translate the program into the built environment, how to take the test fits that we've developed and make them into actual construction documents. And so we have the typical development of drawings. We have spec, any other things that we need. And that's going to include exhibits for planning review. It's going to include documents that the owner needs to be able to promote this within their own organization. Really anything that a designer would typically produce. What we benefit from in this middle portion is means and methods. Because if we understand how the builder is going to put the work in place, they then have the opportunity to influence the way that assemblies are put together in the drawing package. And that allows us to optimize and not to just put forth generic details or generic approaches, but to actually dial things in the way that the builder would actually prefer to build them. So what that implies, and what the previous phase implied as well, is that we need participation from those trades and from the general contractor to really leverage this approach. We also use target value design. We take the estimate that's been published as part of the validation, we divide it into scope buckets, and by that I mean exterior skin, interior fit out, building systems, any way that you want to slice the project. We allocate the amount of money that those folks have, and then we set a target that's lower than the budgeted amount, and we challenge the team to try to achieve that. And what that does is it takes this early involvement and turns it into a value add. It's not enough to do constructability, it's not enough to provide pricing or constructability reviews. We need to have actionable work done around how the building is going to be put together so we can properly incorporate that into the design process.